Tesla's next factory will be new and improved, along the line something that we have never seen before ever. We're talking about super updates and improvements. Tesla is leading right now in innovation when it comes to automobiles like no other car company has seen ever before. And I'm not just saying that, I mean it. Throughout the years, Tesla has been cutting parts and processes from their factories. They are innovating at a rate that is so impressive that other engineers from other companies are baffled and shocked, especially Sandy Munro, who is an automotive expert who tears cars down for a living since the 60s. He is always blown away by the amazing rate of speed that Tesla is working at. They recently did something that no other car company has ever done before. They figured out how to remove 40% of the machines and parts inside of their factories. Their factories are now going to be built in a different way. Their next factory, which is going to be producing their new car, possibly the autonomous car or the Model 2. This factory is going to be smaller and efficient and pump out the same amount of cars from their larger factories. So this is the part that is magical. You see, Tesla, they are figuring out how to make the machine that makes the machine. Basically, they're learning how to make factories a lot better, and they can pump out factories that pump out cars at a faster rate, at a streamlined in and out process, not having to go through multiple steps. They have engineered factories down to a science. And if they even do it better, then my goodness, other car companies are going to want to buy Tesla's licensing to make factories because they are experts at engineering. They are not just a car company. A lot of people would say they are, but they do a lot more than that. They are engineers at heart. And if they need some assistance in their car factories, guess what? Elon Musk goes to SpaceX, sometimes gets his engineers who are working on spaceships and rockets, brings them over to Tesla, the car sector, and they start working over there as well. No other car company has an entire branch that is dedicated to aerospace and space travel. So to say that Tesla is just a car company would be outright wrong. And since Tesla is cutting parts and processes, they pump out cars a lot faster, which is also going to help with making more sales. And of course, a lot of people would say that EV sales are going down and there's no demand for electric vehicles, but that's actually super incorrect. I am telling you this right now because of information that is out currently that you can see with your own eyes. EV demand is rising, especially in China. Currently, China has tipped past the tipping point where they are over 50%. Vehicles sold in China are EVs, 50.3 or so percent. But the point is that other companies in China and even the government said that the tipping point or the 50% mark of EVs being sold will happen in 2028 or 2030 or 35. But the CEO of BYD, which is a Chinese car company, he predicted that this year it would be at 50%, and he was correct. So people wake up to the idea of this. Electric cars are coming, and they are going to be coming faster than a lot of people think. Once upon a time, Tesla was the laughing stock of the automotive industry, where they made a car and Sandy Munro, the engineering expert, laughed at it, tore it down, and said they need to do better. And 2 years later, they became industry leading. Currently, right now, Tesla is the only company that is making huge profits off of each electric vehicle sold. General Motors and Ford, they are losing thousands of dollars per every electric vehicle they sell. Currently, Ford is losing up to $40,000 on their Ford Mustang Mach-E or even their Ford Lightning. Tesla is making huge profit margins. They are the only electric vehicle company that is making the amount of money that they are pulling in, which is astonishing. And there's more room to go. Well, short rant for the day. Be sure to tune in again tomorrow. I post videos every day about what's going on in the auto market, Tesla, big tech, and all sorts of things. I'll catch you guys next time.